Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana doesn't really care about any Bitcoin dip at the moment. As it seems, Solana is very strong, overextending away from this ascending trend line that we had defined here. At some point we might come back to that line. Yeah, just to pre-warn you, that is certainly a possibility. Whenever that happened here in the past, it was a really good buying opportunity, pull back to a trend line. Maybe we establish a new trend line, you know. Currently the 20-day moving average certainly provides some support here. Then we've got the 50 just below. The 50-day moving average is probably currently where that white trend line is sitting at around $170 at the moment. And Solana is moving further towards my next price target of $272, which we had on the charts here, which is the 1.272 extension level. Certainly expect some more resistance here if we move like the move here further up currently. So that we are going to reach that target earlier or later. Solana is providing very strong. I actually expect some further price increases before that event next week. There is a sort of a summit or a meeting or an event next week, and I'm calling about this breakpoint event next week in Lisbon. Between the 7th and the 10th, actually starts tomorrow already. A celebration of all the Solana community has accomplished and inspiration for what comes next. So it's a little bit like the Cardano Summit maybe. We'll see. I'm not sure if there will be some sort of buy the rumors, sell the news going on here or not. But certainly very interesting speakers here. So certainly I might tune into that. Let me know if you want me to tune into that and give you an update. But certainly, yeah, very interesting. And there will possibly be announced some partnerships. I don't know, something interesting coming up there. But Solana really providing very strong. Also, what I want to point out here on the Solana BTC chart, that we're actually nearly at an all-time high. So Solana is really outperforming Bitcoin massively. And we are, as I said, nearly at an all-time high. We're pretty much now at all-time high level. We did peak in September already higher, but on the daily, the candle didn't close at that level. So the candle closed pretty much where we are currently. So we are just going through in my view. If we go through here, see how high the RSI is, the trend is very high. Might just go through here and have a new all-time high in terms of how strongly Solana is outperforming Bitcoin. Really impressive, considering that we're also in Solana USD all-time high spheres here and price finding exercises going on. But yeah, I would expect that we certainly go to the $272 level in the near future here, or during the summit, during that event, during that breakpoint event, or even before that. And potentially there might be some profit taking after that. I don't know. It depends on what will be announced at that event, if there's anything exciting to be announced or not. But Solana is strong even without that event. It is increasingly strong. But bear in mind that buying into a parabolic move might come with its, might be a bit dangerous. However, also I want to say that Solana, I mean, I see it at potentially even next year, potentially at, three-digit level, 4 digits, over £1,000, over $1,000. That is certainly realistic. Solana has the potential to get closer to Ethereum in my view. And, on the daily here, we are getting into overbought range, but you know how Solana can perform. Solana can get up to 90 on the RSI, so that doesn't necessarily mean it's over yet. We don't see here a bearish divergence forming yet, so that is currently not anything to worry about in my view. Also, the MACD is going up. It's not losing steam. It did lose a bit of steam here, but we currently cannot see this happening. It started to move up again as we moved into new all-time high territory, and you can see how the MACD line is going up. Again, the MACD was already much higher before that MACD line, so again, it's nothing mainly to worry about. It is just a riding the trend exercise here. So it's, in my view, it's going higher anyway. Even if you get the odd drop, even if we come back to that trend line, it will perform so well, I think, in my view, until the end of this alt season. So it has provided, it has been very strong. And, I thought, if we drop, yeah, I think we have massive support here at the 218 level anyway, that previous all-time high. And other than that, we're going to go to the new new highs here at the 1.272 extension level at $272. After that, the 1.618 at 340, and then 414 is the 200%. All right, so hopefully you liked that update. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.